Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we usually talk about sneakers, life, and tech. But for today's episode, I have something very special. This is a Philippine exclusive Funko Pop of an iconic Japanese robot. So that's how popular Japanese culture is in the Philippines. To the point where a Japanese robot is a Philippine exclusive. We're going to unbox it, check it out, take a closer look. I'll share with you where you can get this, how you can buy it. Let's go. So this is actually from Big Boy's Toy Store, not to be mistaken with DJ Big Boy Cheng. Big Boy Toy Store has been an OG in the toy space. They've been here for decades, and I've been buying my toys, be it Funko Pops, figures, and even early days, like maybe 2 decades ago, I was buying probably CDs of anime from them when that was still a thing. So anyway, so this is an exclusive to them. You can actually buy it from their Lazada shop pre-order. So this one, so let me just take the stickers out, is actually, babam, the limited edition Philippine exclusive Voltes 5 Funko Pop. Now, I know that a lot of people prefer to keep their Funko Pops in their boxes, but let's not do that because I really want to have a closer look at this piece. As you guys can see, it comes in your typical Funko Pop packaging. You have 2 stickers, one from Big Boy's Toy Store and a hologram sticker that says that it is an official licensed Voltes 5 product. You have the picture of Voltes 5 on the side. You have the anime poster here with all the different characters from the cartoon series. And then, wow, it's a really nice looking pop. So if we pop this open, again, all the Funko Pop people will probably cringe, especially with how I just broke the top part of the box. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to Mateo Guidicelli this pop. So but anyway, so this is it, guys. This is the Voltes 5 vinyl Funko Pop. And OMG, all of you Voltes 5 fans, you guys need to have this. It is friggin' awesome. The detail on this is just sick. I mean, the little stuff from the color of his belt to the bolts, the jetpack at the back of his helmet, man, to the tire tracks that you see over here at the back, and to those, I don't know, those tractor feet things that Voltes 5 has. It just looks really dope. Looks like a really nice Funko Pop that just brings back so many childhood memories. Ganda! Now, if you want to order one, I actually have this note from Big Boy's Toy Store. You can order it via their Lazada shop. I will link it down below, but it's for pre-order. So you can only get it via the Mystery V box or the Mystery Voltes 5 box, which is 1,995 pesos. It will include 1 Voltes 5 pop, 1 random pop, both in protector and sorter box, applicable to both shipping and pickup. So it's 1,995. You get the Voltes 5 pop and a mystery pop. And you get that when you pay for it now via Lazada, it will start shipping December 20. Okay? So sa mga may gusto ng Voltes 5 Funko Pop, that's how you guys get it. You need to pre-order now via Lazada Big Boy's Toy Store and you get it, or it starts shipping December 20. Akala nyo siguro when I said it's a Philippine exclusive Funko Pop that it would be Jolllibee, no? Because most of the Philippine exclusive Funkos are actually from our iconic restaurant lovable best friend. But no, it's Voltes 5, a Japanese robot that my generation, people who are, I don't know, older millennials and probably Gen X, really grew up watching. So it's just nice to have that pop. And I'm thrilled to add it to my Funko Pop collection. What do you guys think of the Voltes 5 Funko Pop? Let me know in the comment section. Would love to hear from all of you. You guys, this is Carlo. Thank you for watching. I hope your wallets are still intact since it is Lazada 12/12. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.